Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 19th of December 2017 and I will be analyzing Bharti Airtel December future. This is one of the trade I gave early in the morning in my WhatsApp group and I traded this both on short side and long side, but unfortunately I could not give all the calls regarding my trade because I had to be in the office and currently I am working on a very strict deadline project. So expect me that I will be busy uh, till uh, till this Christmas and you can expect late replies in the WhatsApp group, and after that hopefully the project would be it will be in a bit good position, and then I will be able to frequently update your queries. So firstly, the disclaimer: whatever information you are viewing through this channel is entirely for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on the suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So Bharti Airtel, in the morning I told to the WhatsApp members that I have shorted Bharti Airtel in the during the opening hours. So after that, I monitored this trade till here and then I went to the office. I was lucky that once I reached office and I saw my trade again, it was around this level. So it has just taken a breakout. And then I started to look at the reason that can this be a bottom, because after this trend line, if you see, this is the trend line which was a resistance earlier and this was broken. So I started to look if this can be a bottom. So here if you see, I had drawn this uh, support line which says that yes, this can be a bottom, but then this was not very convincing, so I was looking for something else. So this line, if you see the shadow of this and this bottom, I joined it and they perfectly met here. So this gave me a confidence that okay, this is the right time now that I exit the trade. I exited around about here, so I catched the movement from this level. I caught the movement from this level to this level, and then it was clear that this is a bottom formation and the market from here will go up. The uh, on the long side the SL should be below this, so around here. So I again started to go long and I took my position somewhere here, and then we see that a good rally had come, and this is where I exited my position, so a bit here around this level, and then I waited again, and this was a clear place where I wanted to enter, uh, but I could not because I was busy in my work and I was not sure if I will be able to monitor my trade at all. So this is something that this was earlier resistance. Once this was broken, and then I went long. So this is something I want to tell you guys, that flexibility is very important in a trade. Once you take a trade on short side, it does not mean that you have to keep holding it unless you earn a lot of big profits. No, as and when market changes, as and when you see that the trend is changing, as and when you see that the resistance is becoming a support, you have to trade in that way. Flexibility is very important to be a good trader. So that's why I have switched my position, and then I made a really very good profit. This whole green candle, almost whole green candle, I was able to catch. So that's one thing, and why I thought that okay, this is going to be again a bottom, because if you see, if I draw horizontal line, you know by joining these two shadows, now this perfectly matches here. Apart from that, You take a long trade when a breakout happens here. No, so if you join the shadow here, once this breakout happens, so after this, so on this onset of this green candle, you take a long trade, and then you see that where it is heading. So that's it, guys. I mean, it has made a all-time high, I believe, and this has given a breakout. So now this is definitely not in fact, this was a trade which I took was against it, because I have already told that we are in bull market. I should not have taken this short trade. Normally I don't trade like this, but then today, as I see that this is a resistance, this was continuously being followed. But then it's very important that you keep monitoring, and that's why I was very watchful here that what is happening. And then I exited my trade, and I have already told the story what happened here. So be flexible while you are trading, be watchful of what you are doing, be cognizant of what Nifty and other indexes are doing, because otherwise you will end up making losses. You have to see if there is a bottom formation. You have to keep checking that is this the level where you should book your profit as and when, because when you take a trade, you have a particular mindset saying that okay, this is how it is going to be. But while monitoring, if you find that it is behaving in certain way which is different from what you anticipated, then you have to adjust yourself. Market will not adjust according to you. जिद करने से कि what I thought is going to be right, you will end up losing money. So this is very important, guys. Be flexible, and think in a way, uh, try to always catch the trend of the market before executing any trade. So that's it for now. If you have any further queries, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.